The great sage Maitreya continued. Thus Sant-kumara, the best of the celibates, after hearing the speech of Prithu Maharaj, which was meaningful, appropriate, full of precise words and very sweet to hear, smiled with full satisfaction and began to speak as follows. Prithu Maharaj's talks before the Kumars were very laudable because of so many qualifications. A speech should be composed of selected words, very sweet to hear and appropriate to the situation. Such speech is called meaningful. All these good qualifications are present in Prithu Maharaj's speech because he is a perfect devotee. It is said, Yashasti bhaktir bhagavati akinchana sarvaya gunais tatra samasate sura. For one who has unflinching devotional faith in the Supreme Personality of Godhead and is engaged in his service, all good qualities become manifest in his person. Thus the Kumars were very much pleased, and Sant-kumara began to speak as follows.